Friends, in this video we will see how we can transfer data from parent to child using props in React Native. So this is the parent component, this is the child component. So we have to pass data to the child component. So for this, let's define one object. We will pass on one object. So let obj is an object. Let id, we put some random value here, and name one. So this is the object, and we have to pass to the uh, child component. So what we did, we add one property. Actually, this is my component is the child component which you already imported inside the parent. So we have to pass data to the child component. So we will enter one property here, like we add any name temp is equal to obj. So this property, this object is assigned to one temp property inside my component, child component. And when we go to the child component, okay, we have to use props. Is the short term of property, actually props. Okay, and now the props have that object actually. So actually we assign that object inside the my component, that is child component, and this value will be retrieved inside this code of the child component. So using props. So to import to use this object, we have to simple use curly brackets here, and we can actually that was object. So to see the value, we can simply JSON stringify, we convert that object into JSON and we'll check the values. So we'll use JSON dot stringify, and the value is props dot, so the temp is the property, so we will retrieve the object using the temp. So we will type temp here. So now let's check on the browser. So you can see that value is showing here in JSON format on the child component. So this way you can use props to transfer data from the parent to child in React Native.